This is a sofa. Say sofa. We sit and rest on the sofa. This is a chair. Say chair. We sit on the chair. This is a table. Say table. We keep books on the table. This is a television. Say television. We watch shows on the television. This is a window. Say window. The window lets light and air in. This is a door. Say door. We go in and out through the door. This is a picture frame. Say picture frame. We hang photos in the picture frame. This is a bookshelf. Say bookshelf. We keep books in the bookshelf. This is a ceiling fan. Say ceiling fan. The ceiling fan spins to keep us cool. This is a pedestal fan. Say pedestal fan. The pedestal fan stands on the floor. This is a light bulb. Say light bulb. The light bulb gives us light. This is a table lamp. Say table lamp. We turn on the table lamp to read at night. This is a bed. Say bed. We sleep on the bed. This is a pillow. Say pillow. We rest our head on the pillow. This is a mirror. Say mirror. We look at our face in the mirror. This is a dressing table. Say dressing table. We keep our things on the dressing table. This is a cupboard. Say cupboard. We keep things inside the cupboard. This is a wardrobe. Say wardrobe. We keep clothes in the wardrobe. This is a toy box. Say toy box. We keep toys in the toy box. This is an ironing board. Say ironing board. We iron clothes on the ironing board. This is a dining table. Say dining table. We eat meals at the dining table. This is a spoon. Say spoon. We eat with the spoon. This is a fork. Say fork. We pick up food with the fork. This is a plate. Say plate. We eat food on the plate. This is a bowl. Say bowl. We eat soup in the bowl. This is a cup. Say cup. We drink milk from the cup. This is a bottle. Say bottle. We drink water from the bottle. This is a fridge. Say fridge. We keep food cold in the fridge. This is a stove. Say stove. We cook food on the stove. This is a frying pan. Say frying pan. We fry food in the frying pan. This is a jug. Say jug. We pour water from the jug. This is a dish rack. Say dish rack. We dry plates on the dish rack. This is a shower. Say shower. We bathe under the shower. This is a bathtub. Say bathtub. We sit and wash in the bathtub. This is a toilet. Say toilet. We use the toilet in the bathroom. This is a shampoo bottle. Say shampoo bottle. We wash our hair with shampoo. This is a soap dish. Say soap dish. We keep the soap in the soap dish. This is a bucket. Say bucket. We carry water in the bucket. This is a broom. Say broom. We clean the floor with the broom. This is a mop. Say mop. We clean the floor with the mop. This is an equal broom. Say equal broom. We sweep the garden or outside with the equal broom. This is a fire extinguisher. Say fire extinguisher. We use it to stop fire. This is a key. Say key. We open doors with the key. This is a scale. Say scale. We use the scale to measure. This is a scissors. Say scissors. We cut paper with scissors.